Want to turn your creative ideas into cash? Here's how to sell custom items on Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So here's an example of one of our clients selling custom items like this custom sign that they're selling for $19.99. They offer different sizes, and the cool thing about this is you can click customize now right here. So if you click customize now, instead of Linda's, my name's Josh. So let's just say Josh's craft room, and look how nice it looks. You can add the year, let's see, 2025, beautiful. And then click please confirm your personalization, yes, and then add that baby to your cart, and then they'll customize it and ship it to you. Now you can see right now it's February 21st. Their shipping time is a lot longer than FBA because it's custom, but people are willing to pay for these items because custom items are very sought over, especially during the holiday season. During the holiday season alone, they make more than $100,000 a month. That's when their sales spike up the most, and that's when your sales will spike up the most likely during the holiday season. So step number one is to find different custom products to sell. So I already gave you one, which was like a custom sign. So if you wanted to sell custom signs, custom memes with your name written on it, there's a lot of different things you can do. If you're into crypto, custom cryptos with your name on Bitcoin, instead of a B for Bitcoin, you can do a J for Josh that looks like a Bitcoin, and then have a little sign and then ship it to the house. There's a lot of different things you can do to stand out that people aren't doing because there's not many custom sellers on Amazon right now. So you can pretty much come in and potentially dominate it, right? You can see they only have 79 reviews, already over 100 in sales. It's just a personalized tumbler. Right, you can customize it now. And look, you get all these different sections. I can choose light blue, I can choose my design, I can choose my initial, right? And that's where it's gonna go. Initial or a custom name. Let's do custom name, Josh. So now instead of Emily, or I don't know what this name is, but let's just say it's Emily. You can put Josh, you can add a straw. Look, they even have upsells. You can have a beautiful box with it, a custom straw, a little gift card. Do you need expedited shipping? So they're upselling you on all these custom items, which is awesome. And they're even giving a discount if I buy if I buy 2 items, I save 10%. If I buy 8 items, I get 1 free. Very cool, and they're giving a long time, so they have time to do this and to ship it. Again, the holiday season is really when this is going to skyrocket. But if you had something like a Stanley cup that was customizable, you could be making so much money on those, right? So you can literally do this at home. How the heck do you do this? Well, come up with ideas, look at competitors. I would recommend to go on Etsy first because that's where all the custom items are. And a lot of those Etsy sellers are not on Amazon because they don't know they can actually sell on Amazon custom items. So you can take their ideas and launch them on Amazon. A lot of them use something called an XTool. So an XTool is a laser engraver, right? And now they have printers, I think. So look, F1 Lite, Safety Pro. You can see this looks just like a Stanley. I just mentioned that. So you can actually customize it. So this is a CO2 laser cutter. You can see some ideas of what they're creating. You just pop them in there, dog tags. He's making this little, it looks like a game. That's awesome. So you can make a game, a lot of different things right here, okay? So you can check these out. They now have, this looks like a printer. You literally put a piece of wood in and it prints it. So a lot of different things. So let's see again what else they have. Dual HD camera, first innovations, easier, safer, and more efficient. So again, these guys are one of the top companies right now. If there's anything that goes wrong, they fix it. Very cool. So come up with some ideas. Then you're going to go to Amazon Seller Central. Make sure you have an Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're approved for Amazon, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. And then I want you to type in Amazon Handmade Seller in Google. Apply to join now our maker-only community of sellers. This is a special program for Amazon sellers. You can click Apply to Handmade. and it's going to take us here. I want to do US. And then what is handmade? Handmade lets makers sell their handcrafted products directly to millions of Amazon customers all over the world. You need to get approved for this program in order to have that special little customize now button. Not every seller can have it, so you need to get approved for Amazon Handmade first. So make your Seller Central account, then get approved for Amazon Handmade is my recommendation. You can always get approved for Amazon Handmade first, but I prefer the latter of getting approved for Amazon Seller Central first. So again, you're just going to answer some basic questions. What's handmade? It's either handcrafted, so it's made entirely by hand, hand altered, or handmade customized. If you're customizing a handmade product, then you're eligible to sell on Amazon. If you make jewelry and a hand stamp initials on them, right? And there's also Amazon Custom and Amazon Marketplace. So there's a lot of different things. So instead of handmade, maybe you're using the laser engraver and you're not adding any special handmade touches, you can apply for Amazon Custom, which is like practically the same thing, but this one's for more custom, okay? But it's almost the same thing. So just apply for this, get it approved. It's gonna ask you, like, you need to submit proof that it's actually handmade, that you're actually doing it, and then you'll get approved. If you're not approved for this, you can get approved for custom. So you can go to your custom part, Amazon Custom, and then go here and then register for Amazon Custom, which is almost the same. It looks like it's super easy to register for Amazon Custom. So you could do Amazon Custom first if you're not approved for Amazon Handmade. See, here we go. Customers can add text to your product. Customer can upload their own images. So pretty much if you get approved for this, you'll get approved for having the Customize Now button. And it's all under the Handmade section where you can apply for these. So you go there here, you right click this, and now you can apply for custom. And that's how you can get started as a handmade seller. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on what ideas you have for selling on Amazon Handmade. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or any help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon management service. This is where we're going to entirely manage your account for you, your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, launching products, advertising, infringement, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.